How to fix HRESULT 0x8002802B error in Microsoft Word or Excel on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of error appear in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, basically Microsoft Office error. To fix this issue, go to settings of your Windows system, right click on a start button or choose settings, and here from the left side go to Windows Update, and here click on check for updates. You must install Windows latest update on your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of your Microsoft Office not working properly. The second one is open control panel in your system, and here look for program and features option. Click on program and feature, scroll down and choose program and feature, and here look for Microsoft Office, select it, and choose change. Click on change, and here how you do like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office program, choose quick repair and click on repair. It will repair your Microsoft Office. If any issues found, it will repair them accordingly. So choose repair and follow on screen instruction to complete the repair procedure. If your problem exists, then uninstall Microsoft Office and reinstall a fresh Microsoft Office in your system. First uninstall it and reinstall Microsoft Office. And the one more workaround is right click on a start button and choose run command box, and in run command box type this command as shown on your screen. Execute this command to clear Microsoft Office caches from your system. Execute this command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there and click on OK, and delete all its folder contents. The one more workaround is go to Windows settings again, and here from the left side click on privacy and security. Click on Windows security and scan your system. Click on virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here choose scan options. You may check for updates against virus and threat protection update. Click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it, and click on scan options, and here you will find 4 options. Here choose Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan or quick scan. And check whether your Microsoft Office error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode, and execute some DISM tool and SFC scan now command. Execute these 3 DISM tool: DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and after that execute the command SFC scan now. Type SFC space / scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Hopefully your Microsoft Office